Morning students, today we will discuss a new topic, that is mole concept and molar mass. This topic you have already studied in your ninth class also, but we will discuss this topic in detail. Mole, what is mole? Basic SI unit of amount of substance. Mole provides information about number, mass and volume. As 1 dozen means a definite number, you know 1 dozen is equal to 12. So same, mole is also a definite number. Mole is a definite quantity. Like 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It is equal to Avogadro's number. If we are considering 1 mole atoms, it means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. If we are considering 1 mole molecules, it means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. If 1 mole ions, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 ions. 1 mole rupee equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 rupees. Same, mass of 1 mole atoms is if we are considering atoms, it is equal to atomic mass. Mass of 1 mole molecule is equal to molecular mass. Mass of 1 mole atom is equal to atomic mass. Mass of 1 mole atoms is equal to atomic mass. Then mass of 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 at 1 mole is equal to 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 atoms equal to atomic mass. So one mass of 1 atom is equal to atomic mass divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, means atomic mass divided by Avogadro number. I will explain it again. Mass of 1 mole atom, 1 mole is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So this how many atoms is equal to atomic mass if we are having atoms. If we are having molecules, it will be equal to molecular mass. So mass of 1 atom is equal to atomic mass divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Example, mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon is equal to 12 gram. This is equal to atomic mass. So we can calculate by unitary method. Mass of one atom of carbon is equal to 12 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 12 by Avogadro number. Next example, mass of 1 mole atom of oxygen. 1 mole atom is equal to 16. Oxygen is equal to 16 because this is of atomic mass of oxygen. So mass of 1 atom of oxygen is equal to 16 divided by Avogadro number, because 1 mole is equal to 6.02 to 10 to the power 23 atoms. Same, this is the example of atom. Now molecule. 6.022 to 10 to the power 23 molecule of water is equal to 18. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water equal to water. We are having water here, molecule, so molecular mass. So 1 mole molecule of water is equal to 18 gram equal to molar mass. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecule of CO2 equal to 44 gram equal to molar mass. So 1 molecule equal to 44 divided by Avogadro number. Same, 1 mole of ideal gas is equal to 22.4 liter. This is the case of molar volume. 22.4 liter is fixed at standard temperature pressure. So 1 mole of anything is equal to 22.4 liter. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2. This is equal to 22.4 liter. Means we are having everything equal. If we are having 1 mole of atoms is equal to Avogadro number is equal to 22.4 liter. If we are having 1 mole of molecules is equal to Avogadro number is equal to molecular mass is equal to 22.4 liter. These all quantities are equal. We can use any quantity depending on the numerical. Now some numericals related to mole concept. Number 1, calculate the mass of a molecule of CO2. You know 1 mole of CO2 is equal to 44 gram. 1 mole of CO2 में कितने molecules होंगे? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. तो ये दोनों आपस में क्या हो गए? Equal. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of CO2 is equal to 44 gram. So we have to calculate mass of a a molecule means one molecule. By unitary method, one molecule of CO2 is equal to 44 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This will be 7.307 into 10 to the power minus 23. Next is calculate the number of molecule present in 34.2 gram of cane sugar. First we will calculate the mass of cane sugar. It is 342. 1 mole is equal to molecular mass is equal to this many molecules. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules किस में होते हैं 342 ग्राम में. We have to calculate 34.2 में कितने molecules होंगे. 342 में कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं 6.02 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23. 34.2 में कितने होंगे 6. वी कैन कैलकुलेट बाय यूनिटरी मेथड. नंबर 3, कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ 0.1 मोल ऑफ KNO3 पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. 1 मोल ऑफ KNO3 इज 101 ग्राम. तो 0.1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 10.1 ग्राम. नेक्स्ट 1 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ मीथेन का हमने मास कैलकुलेट करना है. 6.022 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 ग्राम ऑफ मीथेन का मास कितना होता है CH4 का 16 ग्राम. तो 1 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 का कितना होगा. यू कैन सॉल्व इट बाय यूनिटरी मेथड. 16 डिवाइड बाय दिस इंटू दिस इट विल बी 2.657. Next, calculate the volume at STP occupied by 14 gram of nitrogen. You know 1 mole of nitrogen is equal to 28 gram. Means 28 gram is equal to 22.4 liter. 14 gram में कितना होगा 11.2 liter. Same 1.5 mole of CO2. 1 mole of CO2 में कितना वॉल्यूम होता है 22.4 लीटर. 1.5 में कितना होगा मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22.4 लीटर 33.6 लीटर. 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen is equal to this many molecules. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules occupy 22.4 liters. 10 to the power 21 molecules में कितना होगा 3.72 into 10 to the power minus 2 liter means 37.2 milliliter. Next, calculate the number of moles in 10 gram of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate molecular mass is 100 gram. 100 gram is equal to 1 mole. 10 gram is equal to 1 by 100 into 10, 0.1 mole. Calculate the mass of CO2 which contains the same number of molecules as contained in 40 gram of oxygen. This question is in two parts. First we have to calculate the mass of CO2 which contain the same number of molecules. Same number of molecules किस में 40 gram of oxygen में. तो first we have to calculate the number of molecules in 40 gram of oxygen. वी नो 32 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन में कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं 6.022 इन 10 टू द पावर 23. 40 ग्राम में कितने होंगे इतने. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मास ऑफ दिस मैनी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ CO2. यू नो 6.022 इन 10 टू द पावर 23 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ CO2 में का मास कितना होता है 44. तो इसका कितना होगा 7.52 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 का 44 डिवाइड बाय दिस. आई हैव taken this quantity again because of the easy calculation. This will be 55 gram. I am explaining it again. We have to calculate the mass of CO2 which contains the same number of molecules as contained in the 40 gram of oxygen. Same number of molecule किस में होंगे mass of CO2 में. उसमें उसका मास निकालना है. तो पहले हमने क्या किया नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स निकाल लिए ऑक्सीजन में. तो नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दिस विल बी दिस वन. Now we have to calculate the mass of these many molecules of CO2. We know 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 का मास होता है 44. तो इतने का कितना होगा 55. I will be sending you one assignment also related to this mole concept. If you have any problem, you can ask me personally on my number.